Hello and welcome to Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Yadra. The college is going to introduce a new branch which is BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Why AI and data science is important, why the students have to learn about it, how this is beneficial for them. Let's take a quick answer of all these questions. So, here we get to know what actually AI and data science is, why we have to learn this, and how we can go through it. Basically, AI is a branch of computer science that gives special value to the development of intelligence machine thinking and working like humans, whereas data science is the study of data. What actually AI is? In computer science, AI, sometimes called machine intelligence, is intelligence demonstrated by machine in contrast to the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals. Whereas AI in businesses is rapidly becoming a commonly used competitive tool. For example, chatterbots for customer services, to data analytics, to making productive recommendations. If we are talking about benefits of AI, then for economy, businesses, industries, humanity and society, for healthcare services, and there are so many are there. Image recognition, speech recognition, decision making, translations. These are some example of AI that we use so many times in our mobile phones or other devices. Now the data science. The data science is developing method for recording, storing and analyzing data to effectively extract useful information. Why we have to learn this? Because of large amount of data, modern companies and organization maintains data science. Data science become an integral part of IT. For example, a company that has petabyte of user data may use data science to develop effective way to store, to manage, and to analyze the data. Whereas the component of data science are machine learning, big data, business intelligence. Now the question arises why we have to learn it. The answer is future of AI, the salary of AI engineer, different job profiles. If we are talking about top 10 highest paying companies, then they are Uber, Google, Facebook, Twitter, Apple, Netflix, and these companies. If we are talking about jobs by salaries, nearly 46% of data scientists earn a salary between 6 to 15 lakhs per annum. As per educational requirement, candidates with BTech or BE or MTech or ME degrees are shout by 37% of recruits. 17% of available jobs requirements are looking for fresh candidates, whereas 38% of data scientist job opening are for professionals with more than 5 years of experience. If we are talking about the requirement by tools, then Python is one of the most sought after tool by companies followed by R. Banking and financial are the leaders with over 40% of all jobs. Advertise energy and utility contributes is 15% of the total jobs. With such benefits, how we can go through it? So, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, YEDRAO, going to introduce a new branch which is Artificial Intelligence and Data Science with proper requirement of it. Study of AI and data science to help you to become a great AI and data science engineer with proper knowledge. Confirm your admission now. For more details, contact with given contact details. Stay home.